Most outdoor gates aren't truly secure, they just give the illusion of safety until it's tested. Today, we break down the best smart lock for outdoor gate and what actually protects your space. Welcome to the channel, real solutions, no guesswork. Check links below to upgrade your security the right way. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Most break-ins don't start with force, they start with a forgotten lock, a misplaced key, or a simple moment of distraction. That's the gap the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi quietly closes. Let's unpack it. Real-life problem first. You're leaving home in a rush. Did you lock the door? Did someone else enter? That constant doubt follows you. Now shift to control. This smart lock offers 8 ways to enter: fingerprint, keypad, app control, even auto unlock as you approach. No fumbling. No second guessing. The built-in Wi-Fi removes the need for extra hubs. You check your door status from anywhere. Instantly. And that door sensor? It tells you if the door is actually closed, not just locked. That's a detail most people don't realize they need. Now connect it to the idea of the best smart lock for outdoor gate use. Outdoor setups demand durability. IP65 weather resistance means rain, dust, and heat won't easily compromise it. That makes it practical beyond just front doors, gates, garages, or external entries. Compared to basic keypad locks, this feels like a full system rather than a single function. More layers. More awareness. Downside? Setup takes a bit of time, especially syncing everything through the app. Who is it for? Homeowners. Airbnb hosts. Families managing multiple entries. Anyone tired of keys controlling their routine. Because when access becomes seamless and visible at all times, that lingering doubt disappears, and your home finally feels as secure as it should, even when you're miles away. IP-based 2 doors access control kit. Most security failures don't happen because locks break, they happen because access gets shared, forgotten, or mismanaged. That's the real weakness. Now look at the IP-based 2 doors access control kit. This isn't just a lock. It's a system that controls who enters, when, and how. Start with the problem. Outdoor gates and entry points are hard to manage. Keys get copied. Codes get shared. And suddenly, control is gone. This kit changes that. You get a keypad reader for direct access. A strike lock system that responds instantly. And most importantly, a phone app that lets you open doors remotely. Think about that for a second. You're not physically there, but you still control entry. Delivery arrives? Tap your phone. Guest shows up early? Grant access without stress. Now connect it to the idea of the best smart lock for outdoor gate setups. Outdoor security demands reliability and flexibility. This system handles both with IP-based control, making it more advanced than basic standalone smart locks. Compared to single-door smart locks, this 2-door setup adds scalability. Perfect for homes with multiple entry points or small businesses. Downside? Installation is more technical. You may need professional setup. Who should consider it? Homeowners with gated entrances. Offices. Rental property managers. Because once access becomes something you control in real time, not something you worry about, you stop thinking about security problems and start trusting your system to handle them quietly in the background. Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Lock. Most break-ins don't start with force, they start with simple access mistakes, lost keys, shared codes, unlocked doors. That's the uncomfortable reality. Now step into the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Lock. This isn't just a lock. It's control, redefined. Let's talk about the everyday problem. You leave home and wonder, did I lock the door? Or worse, someone else still has access you forgot to revoke. Here's where things shift. Built-in Wi-Fi means no extra hub. You lock, unlock, and monitor directly from your phone. Apple Watch Access adds that quick, Almost effortless entry when your hands are full. And the install? Surprisingly simple for something this advanced. Now connect it to the idea of the best smart lock for outdoor gate. Outdoor security demands reliability, not just features. This lock's solid build and trusted brand design bring that extra layer of reassurance, even in exposed environments like gates or entry points. Voice control through Alexa and integration with Apple HomeKit adds another level of convenience. You're not just locking doors, you're managing access in real time. Compared to basic keypad locks, this goes further. Those give entry. This gives awareness. Downside? Higher price point. And it relies on stable Wi-Fi for full functionality. Who should consider it? Homeowners. Families. Airbnb hosts. Anyone tired of juggling keys or worrying about who has access. Because when your door responds instantly, even from miles away, security stops feeling like a question, and starts feeling like something you actually control every single day. 4-door security access control system. Most security breaches don't happen with force, they happen because access is too easy to share, lose, or forget to control. That's the real weakness. Now step into the 4-door security access control system. This isn't just a lock. It's a layered control system designed for real-world entry management. Let's break the problem first. Traditional locks rely on keys. Keys get copied, lost, passed around. Suddenly, you don't really know who has access anymore. This system changes that completely. RFID cards, keypad entry, and app-based control give you multiple secure options. You decide who enters, and when. Infrared exit buttons simplify movement from inside. The metal power box ensures stable performance across 110 volts to 240 volts setups. And the USB enroll reader makes adding users quick and organized. Now connect it to the idea of the best smart lock for outdoor gate. Outdoor gates demand more than basic locking. They need remote control, durability, and flexible access methods. With TCP/IP connectivity, you can unlock doors from your phone, whether you're inside or miles away. Compared to single smart locks, this system offers broader control across multiple entry points. It's not just one door, it's a full security network. Downside? Installation requires planning and basic technical understanding. Who should consider it? Homeowners with large properties. Offices. Warehouses. Anyone managing multiple access points. Because when you finally control who enters your space without relying on physical keys, security stops feeling uncertain, and starts feeling structured, reliable, and fully in your hands every single day. Mighty Mule MM371W Automatic Gate. Most security problems don't start with break-ins, they start with small moments of inconvenience that people ignore until it's too late. That's where the Mighty Mule MM371W steps in quietly but powerfully. Let's talk about the real issue first. Manual gates feel secure. Until you're opening them in the rain, late at night, or when you're simply tired. That friction adds up. Now the shift. This automatic gate opener turns your entrance into a controlled, effortless system. One press on the remote, and the gate responds smoothly. No struggle. No delay. Built for single gates up to 16 feet or 550 pounds, it handles residential setups with ease. And the solar-ready feature? That's where things get practical. Even in areas with unstable electricity, it keeps working. Now connect this to the idea of the best smart lock for outdoor gate. Security today isn't just about locking, it's about control and access. While traditional smart locks secure a door, this system manages the entire entry point. It becomes part of a smarter, more complete outdoor protection setup. Compared to basic gate motors, this one leans into reliability and flexibility. But unlike high-end smart gate systems, it doesn't come with deeply integrated app ecosystems. Downside? Installation takes time. It's not plug and play for everyone. Who should consider it? Homeowners, farm owners, and anyone managing private property who wants less hassle and more control. Because when your gate opens exactly when you need it to, and stays closed when it matters, you stop worrying about access, and start feeling that your space is finally working with you, not against you.